For this tutorial, let me teach you on how to download any picture from Instagram using your computer. As you can see right now that I'm using Instagram on a Chrome browser, the steps that I will show you should be familiar if you end up using another browser. Now, once you're in Instagram.com, then you can choose to log into your account to find a picture that you want, or simply find a picture even without logging in. For now, let's just navigate to the picture that we want. Let's say we'll be downloading this picture right here. Click on the picture, then right click on it. Then as you can see, there's no option to download it. It is just save as, and the format will be set on web page, not an actual picture format. What you need to do is right click on the picture, then select inspect the pop-up menu. This will open the Google Developer option. Now in this window on the right side, navigate to Div class where it should highlight the picture in Instagram once your cursor is hovered on it. Next, look on the arrow just above the option and click on it. You'll see some URL once you click it. Now right-click on the URL, then select Open a new tab in the pop-up. Now it will open the picture in another tab, and from here, simply right-click on the picture and select Save Image as there, and the GPG format can be used to download it. Save the picture to the folder that you want, and check the picture once the download is complete. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.